Hey, are you struggling to make money in your life? Are you struggling to attract money in your life? Do you feel that your income has got stuck at a particular level and no matter how hard you're working, you're not able to increase your income beyond that level? No matter what you do for the last 1 or 2 years, you're not able to increase your level of growth financially? Here is the reason behind that. But who am I to tell you all this? My name is Mitesh Khatri, and I'm an author of this book, The Law of Attraction. It's a national best-selling book. Now, as per law of attraction, we don't attract what we desire. You heard me right. We don't attract what we desire, we attract based on what's our frequency. Do you know that if our frequency is negative, we will only attract negative? If our frequency is positive, we will only attract positivity? Just like that, we all have something called as a money frequency. If we have a struggling money frequency, no matter how hard we work, we'll always struggle in our life. If we have a surviving frequency, no matter how hard we work, we will always survive in our life, in the area of money. And if our frequency is set for millions, no matter what you do, you will make millions. So question is, to change your money situations, what do you have to change first? Not your situations, your frequency first. So if you're interested in learning how to change your money frequency so that you can attract more money in your life, I have created a workshop called the Law of Attraction Wealth Mastery Workshop. If you click on the link below, I will give you free access to my first 3 lessons where you will realize exactly what inside you is a negative frequency that might be blocking your money attraction. Okay, and if you get result from there, you can go ahead and access the entire 30 days wealth mastery workshop. Take care. Click on the link below now.